To claim a gift, simply press the Claim Your Gift button in the email, or click the link in the text message you have received. On the Claim Gift page, select the option to log in or sign up to claim gift. Claiming your gift to your account will ensure you will never lose it. If you already have a Guusto account, simply enter your login credentials or click Sign In with Google and use your Google account to log in. Then, click Sign In to claim your gift. If your program administrator has set up your team with single sign-on, you will also be able to sign in using your company credentials. If this is your first time claiming a gift with Guusto, click Sign Up to create your new account. Now that you're logged in, select Add Gift to this account. Next, verify that your account details are correct. If they are not, or you wish to add this gift to a different account, select Close, then click the Claim to Another Account button and log in to whichever account you wish to add this gift to. If the account details are correct, write a quick message to the sender to let them know you have received your gift and to say thanks. Once you've added your gift to your account, you will be redirected to the Redeem Gifts page. Here, select the gift you wish to redeem by clicking the View Gift Details button. Alternatively, you can choose to combine multiple Guusto gifts together into a single larger gift. Once you have opened the selected gift, enter the amount you wish to redeem and choose your desired merchant. Some merchants will have different value ranges for which you can redeem gifts for. It's important to note that once a gift has been redeemed for a specific merchant, it cannot be cancelled or refunded. Next, review that the merchant and amount you have chosen are correct. Then, select the checkbox to confirm your choices and click Confirm. Once you have redeemed your selected gift card, select View Gift Card and you're all set. Present the gift code on your phone or as a printout to have its value applied towards your next purchase, like any regular gift card. Gifts have no restrictions, never expire once added to an account, and any remaining balance is redeemable for further transactions. Mucho gusto!